Hello, today I shall show you how to fix a device manager blinking or flickering issue in Windows 11 and 10. Step 1. Disable automatic driver updates temporarily. Open the Start menu, type Settings, and open it. Scroll down and select About on the right. Under Related Links, click Advanced System Settings. Go to the Hardware tab and click Device Installation Settings. Choose No, your device might not work as expected, then click Save Changes. This disables automatic driver updates temporarily, useful to test if a recent driver is causing the issue. Step 2. Scan and repair system files. Open the Start menu, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. If asked, click Yes at the User Account Control prompt. In the black window, type the following and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. When it finishes, restart your computer. Device Manager should now stop flickering. If the issue returns, try updating or rolling back individual device drivers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.